Hi, this is Ethan Reynolds with NY Outdoor Realty. I wanted to make a short video when I came out today, show you what I found. Got a small camp with full electric, septic, and drilled well. I'm going to go inside here shortly and show you the inside and spin the camera around so you don't have to look at me any longer. It's a beautiful place. I came out here. Today is, we're into January now. Just because there was a long walk in doesn't mean you can't drive down in. It's a improved roadway. It still is dirt, but you could definitely plow down in here and you have easy access all year round. So enough of that. Let me get on to the video and show you what's inside. It's unbelievable. Thanks for watching. In 2013, this camp came on the market with NY Outdoor Realty, but it didn't last very long. It was a main cabin, loft, with a side screened-in porch. The new owners converted that over to the kitchen and bathroom. Has a full shower, hot water tank, and pressure tank are also located in the bathroom. The power comes to the camp from back at the pavement. It's ran underground the entire way, 500 feet back to where the camp sits. It was done by the New York State standard. It was buried in sand and backfilled correctly with dirt. So the security of having no power outages, at least on your property, you're pretty safe. This camp is categorized as a seasonal residence. County of Oswego, Town of Constantia, Central Square School District. The total taxes being $1,657.04 for the 2026 year. Has 2-bedroom and that full bathroom. There are several additions that have been done under the new owners over the past 12 years. This is also an addition that was put on. A great room. Has a real nice amount of space. Real good feeling in that room. That wood stove is the only heat source. It heats every area in this camp. This is where you might spend a lot of time, in the sunroom. Still fully insulated, constructed very well, lots of windows. Also, another addition was the shop in the back. Probably roughly 7 or 8 cords of wood would fit in there if packed to the top. It's going to be plenty of wood for hunting season or summertime campfires. Good usable space. The power jumps over from the camp, once again buried underground, to provide power out in the shop. This property is a little bit wider up front. It has 426 feet of road frontage. A little bit less across the back, about 2/3 of that. And the depth from the road to the back line is about 900 feet, 300 yards. On the back of the shed, you've gained some storage area for whatever you bring to camp that you can leave there, or bring ATVs, snowmobiles, or the camp track. There is also a wired-in generator outlet in case of a power outage. You could hook up to a generator and be fully off-grid. So that pretty much wraps it up for this property. If you'd like to look at it, you can find us at NYOutdoorRealty.com or give me a call, Ethan Reynolds, at 315-212-0283.